welcome to Eash Kitchen. Today we are going to cook amazing devil prawns. For sure everyone will love this because of sweet and spicy flavor. I hope you will enjoy this cooking program. Let's cook together. And follow me on Instagram, like me on Facebook, subscribe me on YouTube. Have a great day. Just fry for a few seconds till golden color. It's already fried. Let's add the ginger and garlic. Mix it a little bit. Add onions, tomato, capsicum all together. Chili flakes. Chili paste, dash of sugar, tomato sauce, pinch of salt, little bit water. Okay, let's set the prawns. Wow, super tasteful prawn devil. Please enjoy the cooking.